we are going to tie a beautiful, beautiful harness, which is taken from Takatekote. Hello everybody, this is Anastasia from Voudou Ropes. I hope you still remember me. Sorry for not posting for so long, but things happen unfortunately. Today, we are actually going to tie a beautiful, beautiful harness, which is taken from Takatekote, one of the variations. I only took the decorative part, okay? This harness has nothing to do with having your hands in the back, with suspension. No, 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 no. We just take the decorative pretty element and we try to do it now on ourselves or on your partner. Because this part looks really pretty and I really don't see people using it just as an element in other ties, only with this one. I hope you enjoyed this video. All right, let's start. First of all, find the middle of the rope. How to do that? Take your ends and then pass your whole rope through your hands so you can find the middle of your rope. Here we go, middle of the rope. Now, let's wrap it around the chest. So you're going to wrap it up here, and then you can either do a single column tie or just pass your rope through, just like this. This is it. Now we want this to be in the back. So I'm gonna go to the back and I'm going to keep it in the middle, right on my spine line. And now I do a wrap going around, just like this, just being underneath my line. Checking that I can still breathe. All good, can do. Going back. And then here, I do a ladder tie. So I'm going to grab my rope from right here and pull this out. And then here, one more wrap, and now lower. Now I need to make 2 wraps right here. So I'm going for 1, then in the back. I'm finding that line, where did that go? Right here. So I need a little bit of space here. And I'm going to grab this right up like this. And 1 more wrap. Here we go. And again here. Do I have all of this together? I'm just going to do this. Here we go. All right, so this is the first important part, that you have just your lines. Now we're going to go for the backpack lines. How do we do that? Okay, so here you have this one. So I prefer to make it go this way now. To start, I'm gonna go up and then like this on the shoulder, like this. Then I'm just gonna go like this. And I'm gonna add a rope now so I can go to the back. By the way, if this seems a little bit complicated already, please check out my free course. I start all the explanations there, so if you're not sure that this is the level that is easy for you and you don't understand some of the names of the knots that I'm saying, then you do need to go to the free course and spend a few days with that. All right? Okay. So here we go. Again, attaching the rope is also a basic skill, so I'm not really explaining this now. We went here. Now here I want to go underneath these lines, just like this. So it has a little stopper there. And now I'm gonna go to the front, to my backpack to put it together. Okay, so we're gonna go with this line first, up like this, and then towards this backpack line. Okay, and then I'm gonna go underneath, pull this out, pull this in a little bit, but so my shape doesn't really change into anything, so it stays nice. And then I'm gonna go here, but I'm gonna do the opposite. So if this one started from below, then this one's gonna start from above, and then go like this here inside. Here we go. When you have these two done, then the next step is make a little twist here or a nodome or nothing. This is up to you. I really like making a little twist, so I go around my diagonal line one time, and then I just go to the back. So here we go. And in the back, to make sure that this doesn't go anywhere, I'm going to put it right here. Just like that. This is it. This is the shape. It's really not that complicated to do. Just please make sure that when you're doing this, you are not over tightening anything, so it all feels comfortable and breathable. I hope you guys enjoyed this harness, and best luck with this, and I will start posting more very soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, of course, right there, and tell me in comments what is the next video you want me to do. Is there any tie that you have questions about? Please just ask in comments. I always read the comments, and I try to make the content actually according to your questions, because I know that this is what you need. You can make my life way easier by just asking questions in comments. That'll be great. Alright guys, stay safe, and hopefully we will meet again. Bye bye. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, of course, right there, and tell me in comments what is the next video you want me to do. Is there any tie that you have questions about? Please just ask in comments. I always read the comments, and I try to make the content actually according to your questions, because I know that this is what you need. You can make my life way easier by just asking questions in comments. That'll be great. Alright guys, keep tying, stay safe, and hopefully we're going to meet again very soon. Bye bye.